Welcome back to Lego. Today we are now on page 67. We are now going to do the page. We didn't do the page on the last episode, so pretty much something. I'm doing this next episode. So do like this, and then you do like this. And then, see, look at that. No, yeah, you need that piece. That piece. You need two. You need two of both each. Two of those, and two of those. I'm doing it right now. And yeah, we are not. It's totally obvious when building. You're never totally obvious. You're not totally. You need to build another. Yep, it's like this, and you do it like, just slot it in like this. Like that. There. Like that. So then you put it in like that. Like that. I think it looks like only. Come on, boy. Fit in, Philly boy. Oh, there you go. Philly boy is back onto it. What was it again? Oh, I just need to put these pieces on. These little Philly boys. These little beautiful little blue little Philly boys. And then you put it on like if I can slot it in. Come on. Look at that. That looks like it's the turning. It's beautiful. Look at this bit. Look at that. It's almost complete anyway, so it's not complete yet. Next page. Oh. Hold on. Oh, you don't need two of those. Don't have two of those. Don't have two of those. I thought I was thinking of something. That piece you need. The stopper, the yellow stopper, and you need one of these. You need one of these, one of those, and then you put this like here. Put this like. Oh my god, this is so silly. Oh wait, I need to put it down for a bit. And that's that, and then put this piece like that, and then you put like James Bond, you just put it like this. Oh good god, I did put it wrong. Come on, Philly boy, don't mess with me. Is that right? Yeah, it is right. I like that turning bit. It's very interesting. Right then, what's next? You need these two little boys. You need these two little boys. Two little boys, yes. And the pieces right here. You need two of those. And two of those. You need two of those. Wait a moment. I need to measure them. Just in case. Yes. Both of those. And then, next, you need to slot this piece in here. Like so. Like this. I know you're thinking, man, this guy is pretty... No, wait. You're thinking, hey, this piece is off fiddly. How are you doing this? It's pretty simple. You just look at the camera, and then you just roll like this. Just look at the camera and the pages. Like that. So let's see what we do next. What was it? Yeah, it's like that. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. I don't know why I bring that name up, but I don't. Come on, boy. Let's fight for victory. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? That looks beautiful. Next page. Next page. Oh. You need two. Obviously, two of those. What is it? One long piece. I like calling it long piece. It's very fun. And one of these red pieces. First things first, you need to slot in this red piece right here. And then you put these two pieces together. Like so, look at that. Two of those on the top bit. And then what are you going to do next? Well, basically you attach that onto here, like so, and then, there you go. It's basically like that. So, we're making a seat. You need basically one of them, and let me see, one of them, and what was that piece again? Oh wait, it's one. Oh, come on, I got sleepy hands. One of these, it's got a plus and this bit. So, and then you need one of those. And then read the instructions on that part. So, you fit this. No wait, first things first. No, you don't do that yet. I forgot. You do this first. You do that, and then slot that thing back. Lenny almost said something very rude, but oh well, I said no to it. No. What was? Oh! Fortunately, you don't put it like that. I'm stupid. You put it like that. The sound of wind. I like it. Oh, put it like that. There we go. I think you do it the same side. Oh yeah, yes you do. You need another big L. Another chair. It's a chair, really. It's just a chair. And then you just... No, wait. No. Hold on. Before you do the chair and all of that, you need two of those. And... What's that piece again? Oh, yeah. This piece. So, like this. Put this down. It's like this. So, put it like... Well, you need both of those on top of it. So, like this. Basically, like that. Like that. And then you put this at the bottom. So, it will look like this. And then, you turn it around. You turn it around, and I don't know why I say turn it around like that. But oh well. Turn it around like that, and then you need one of those, and you just need a small L. A small L. And what else you need? You need one of those, and what was it again? Oh wait, it was one of those. That's weird, isn't it? But if you're a technic builder, you know what it is. You know what it is. It's basically just, if you know this piece, put it in the description. Because I don't know what piece it is. This piece. Put it in the description what piece type it is. fit it in. Yep. Yeah. That's so. So and then you put this chair on here. Put this chair on here. Like so. Come on, fiddly boy. Fiddly boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. What are we going to do now? Oh, right. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I don't know why I said baby, but there we are. There you go. That's the part all done. Now you just need 4 of those black pieces. It's not done yet. I'm just saying done because we've done the part where we have to do the fiddly parts. Well, we've done that. You need just what we need to stick. Stick those. Stick it like that, this, like that, and put it the same thing as well. Oh, don't they? They're fiddly, these pieces. I'm talking about these pieces, they're fiddly, aren't they? Yep, definitely fiddly. Got too much big fingers. I wish I had small fingers. But well. Probably slim up like that, and then start again. Oh, that was easy. There we go. Looks like that. So, what's next piece? Looks like we're doing the front. So, you need one of these. Wow, hang on. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. You need 8. So you need 1, 2, you need 8 of these. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, just 8. Oh my god, they're getting stuck. I hate my hands sticking. Yep, there we go. 8 pieces. And then you need 2 orange L's. 2 orange L's. And you need one of these. Make sure it's the right number. You need that number. And let's see if I can find. And that number. 21 and 20, so you got those. When you get all the pieces, you first things first, stick Motherland to it. Motherland, lol. Talk about nothing about the Motherland at all. So let's do these pieces go like that, and that goes like that, and then that goes like that. Yeah, it looks like that. Yeah, that piece, these, you separate it by 2. Separate them by 2 spaces. And you place them by that many. Right then, let's see. Oh, big giant L's. Delicious. Delicious fat L's. They're very fiddly, but they're they're very expensive, these pieces are. Very expensive. Next page. Don't worry, it's still the same thing, but you have to go to the next page. And then you slot these like that. Like these. Make sure you don't land on the same thing, because that will just disassemble it. Put it in the middle, like, do not place it on these 2 pieces, because you already attach it to an orange L. And then you attach number 20 like that, like so. Number 20 and 21 like that, like so. And then you add it to the front. The front is actually here. So you add it like so. There we go. It looks like that. What's next? Now you need one of them and one of them. So basically you this L and then no, don't say that word, lol. Put it in. So just put it in. Yeah, I'll just keep saying put it in. And then you need two of those and another orange L. Obviously I want to call it an orange L. I like it in calling it orange L. So you put it like that. Put one that's real. And then you put it like is it? Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. I think it's the same thing ever. Oh, it's a sticker time. It's sticker time. And that's that's a 2, that's a 3, that's 5. Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? That's a 5. And then you need a sticker. A sticker! Looks like it goes like that way. So, look, stickers. You put a sticker on here. So, what? Oh, it looks like it's going there. Gotta be careful because you don't want to make it a wreck. So, there you go. There, like a sticker. Fits like a sticker. And then attach it to that. And also you. Ooh, touch on there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, it's a separate piece again. So move that piece. Move the stickers away. And then let's see what pieces do we need for this separate piece. You need one of them and wait, hold on, is that it? Yeah, it is. One of them. And then you combine it like this. Like that. And then you need and then what? And then you need one of them and then you do it like this. You do it like that. No wait, that's the one gram here. Oh. You do it like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Like that. Like that. Like that, please. So next thing is you need oh wait, no, that's not it. Not the right piece. I'm looking for a good piece. Just hold on. It's probably far away, so okay. Oh, it's probably here somewhere. I'm very terrible at looking for stuff. But oh well, I am always coming. What's the piece? Oh, it's one of them. What was the other piece? Where is it? Oh, I don't want you. I want a black version. It's like this, but black. I'm a lot more shorter. Oh, finally I found it. Finally. What do? Connect these both. Wow, that was simple. And then you slotted it and you slot it like this. Yep, like that. Yep, like that. So, in the next instructions, it's telling me you have to get two of these. I already got one, so you need one more. And I found it. 2 pieces. And then you, let's see, that looks like a picture? Yeah, it looks like a picture. Yep, I'm not showing you the instructions unfortunately, because I need to concentrate and talk at the same time. So, it's a bit complicated, so I'll put the finger over there. So, easy. So, it looks like that. Now, hold on. Oh, there you go. The picture looks like that. Basically that. So, next bit, you need one of these. Yes, you need one of those. And then, you just need one of those and slot it in so you stop moving around like no, the lip goes like that. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There, right, that's picture now. What's next? That piece, look at this piece. Look at that. I'm going to fit it in. Oh, I've got something that's going to stop it. Stop it from moving around a lot. Hold on, I need to slot it in for a minute. There we go. There we go, it looks like that. What's next? Oh, you need... Well, now you need... one of those, and one of these pieces. One of these pieces. Then you combine it together. No, you don't combine them. You do it like this. Oh, and then I set this one word before. Thank God my brain is concentrated on the Lego. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Next is one of those. And what is the pieces? Oh wait, I think I can find it. I think I can, because there's less pieces in here. Oh, there it is. I found it. One of those. And hold on, I just need to measure it. And oh yeah, I need to measure that too. Yep, got it. Thank God you only need to build one piece. And oh wait, there. And what you do is slot it in like that. And then what do? And then you do another one of those. We need one of those. And drum roll please. You need another one of those. Let's find it. Oh look, I already found it. Long. Look at that. Beautiful. No, I don't want it near like that. I want it like so it's... Oh, okay. There we go. Now what? Now you need two of these now, and then you slot them in like that. With that, slot them in the orange bit. Is that it? Is that it? Yeah, is that it? Right. There's a bit more. You need one of these tiny reds plus, and then you need one of those, and what was it again? Yeah, one of those, and those, and this. First, you need to slot this piece. Come on. There we go. Like that, and then put that piece. Like that. Yeah, like that, like so. Put that like so. There we go. Better. Now you do. You're just gonna. You just turn it around and connect it to like. And then what you do with it. So let's just first things first. This bit goes like that. Yeah. So this piece goes like that, nodding down, and then come on. There we go. But then what we... Oh. We already done it. Already done it. Excellent. What would you next? Oh. We still have much time. We have much time. We have much time. We are not... When this recording... When I don't have much recording left, I will put it on YouTube. Just hold on. And then like that, and then the both of those. You need one of those and one of those. And you need not this number. Oh wait, that's the wrong number. This is this piece. And then you